Good morning. It's Thursday, August 20th, day 283 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. It's 5:15 a.m., 67 degrees, 94% humidity. Let's get my pre-work morning walk in before I have to drive 50 miles for training. Let's go. So I'm doing my before drive at Anchor Beach in Milford. It's pitch dark. There are a few street lights which help. Not looking forward to this drive again all the way to Niantic, but the training's great. It's hosted by the FBI and CDC on biological agent investigation, so it's for local health officials like me and law enforcement, both local and FBI. So it's a great training. Just hate to drive. Let's get some steps in before I sit in training all day. The sun's coming up now better. Colors are just absolutely gorgeous. Oranges and pinks and reds reflecting off the water. So nice and peaceful down here. Hey, Mr. Kitty. Kitties. Hi, how are you? Let's keep going on our morning walk steps. Day 283 after work, back home in Milford. After my work training out in Niantic, it was a great training. It's rare we get in-person trainings from the FBI and CDC. So that was great, and it was great to have local health directors like me in the same room with law enforcement, the FBI, the state lab, state poison control. It was just a good training. I do have plenty of steps. Took the hour lunch and walked the entire base, getting more steps, and did the hour before I went. So let's get some more in before it starts raining hard. I'm home, all dried off. Day 283 is complete. $35,741. See you all tomorrow. Bye.